Hi Mark, I just decided to go ahead and record some videos to you so I can explain how the equipment, our machine works, alright? This is our Medplus model. It's a full complete unit and it does come with the vacuum pump integrated, alright? I'm gonna try to explain from the beginning of the process until the end of the process how you set up the equipment, how you make it work, and how you can attach the accessories to the machine, alright? First thing you need is always gonna need an oxygen tank or a cylinder that provides the oxygen to the machine. You also need a regulator. The regulator can be US standard, any standard regulator will be fine. One of our main difference between other machines on the market is that we don't need to regulate the flow that is coming out from the cylinder. Our machine will does this. It has a flow control automated process inside that takes care of the feeding oxygen. The only thing you need is to hook the tube that comes with the machine to the cylinder through the regulator. As I said, it can be any regulator. I'm using here a Brazilian standard, but I know that in US is different. It doesn't matter. As we showed you on the Congress, we can use any kind of cylinder and regulator. Once the tubing is connected to the regulator, you just need to turn on the machine. Once you turn on the machine, you just need to open a little bit of the oxygen valve so it will release enough oxygen to the machine to turn on. Once the machine is turned on, you don't have to worry or to do anything else with the regulator because the machine will calibrate this automatically. As I said, once the machine is turned on, the only thing you need to concern is to regulate the concentration you desire. The machine has electronic keyboard where you set what the concentration you want, like if you want 5, 10, 15, up to 60 micrograms per ml, alright? Once you do select the concentration, you need to have some kind of device like a syringe or a water column to make ozonate water. You just have to attach the end what you want at the machine and press the button to release the gas. The gas will be released until you stop pushing the button, or it has a different way where you just press once and will keep generating ozone until you press again to stop the generation. Okay. Another thing, as I explained, this machine has a vacuum pump. The vacuum pump is where you're gonna suck back the ozone into the machine, and the machine will destruct or the ozone back into oxygen again. You just need to hook the syringe there or the bagging or whatever, press vacuum pump, and we'll suck it back to the machine and destruct into oxygen again. Okay, this machine and the other ones we have too can do ozonated water. To do ozonated water, you need a water column to bubble the water and to diffuse the O3 into the water. The only thing you need to do is hook the tubing that comes with the column to the equipment, select the concentration you desire. Once you select the concentration, you have an option that is called the T button. It's timer. You will set for how long you want the column to do ozonated water. For example, like let's say 15 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you desire. I'm going to show you just like 10 seconds just so you understand how it works. When you set the time, you just press enter and we will start generating microbulbs to the column to do ozonated water. Once it reaches the time you chose, like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever, on the concentration you set, the machine will automatically give you a sign and stop generating ozone. Once you do that, it's ready to use the water. Okay? Pretty much the machine works like this. As I said, it's very easy. You don't have to deal with regulators and different concentrations like outside conversion table. That's not something you need to do with Ozone machine. Only thing is, turn on the machine, hook with the oxygen, release some oxygen a little bit. The machine will calibrate what it needs and select concentrations and release the gas. All right?